fire. What's the address of the emergency?
Yes, there's a grass fire.
Dispatch District 2, do we have Company 9 available?
Engine 9 and Brush 9, respond with units on scene for a brush fire on the highway.
This is Brush 9. This is one of 7 brush trucks that West Metro has for fighting fires in the urban interface and in the wildland. This brush truck is one of 2 that we'll send out nationally for fires. So Brush 9 and Brush 11 are 2 that we have outfitted for national deployments. They're set up a little bit different than some of the other brush trucks that we have. They have some added features to help the crews as they're out for anywhere from a 14 to a 21 day wildfire assignment nationally. So out here we have this upper rack. We have hose bags set up for progressive hose lays. So crews can show up, grab one of these bags, and the hose is already all set up to be laid out in a progressive hose lay. We also have on the back drip torches set up to do any backfiring that we need to do. We have all of the pump controls and operation is all going to be at the back of the engine. So inside this compartment, again, this one is set up more for deployments outside of the district. This is our medical kit. This medical kit is a little different from some of the other kits that we have, as it is set up to be worn as a backpack, and it also includes a fire shelter on it as well. Inside here we carry a lot of extra hose and some other appliances. This pack here is all of our very small diameter hose that we use for mopping up fires. You can see it's much smaller than what we typically use for fire hose. It's actually just garden hose size in 50-foot lengths. This is a typical forestry nozzle that we use. We can switch between a straight stream and a fog stream. So we carry additional hose in here. We carry additional 1.5 and 1-inch hose, as well as lots of different Ys and Ts to build different types of hose lays. And inside here we have all of our different adapters, couplings, and nozzles. We can set up a variety of different hose lays when we're out, and we need a variety of different adapters to fit what we need to do. So we have everything from inline tees to different adapters to reducers to increasers in these bins. So in here we have a complement of hand tools. We have a variety of different tools in here. We have combi tools. We have Pulaskis for digging. We have shovels for digging. And we have McLeods that are used more for scrubbing. This is the pump on Brush 9, 23 horsepower pump on this, and this will provide enough water to support several attack lines coming off of this. This has the ability to put water to the front of the truck in the form of a spray bar that allows us to drive along the cooler edge of a fire line and spray water on that edge as we're driving. Brush 9 and Brush 11 also have the capacity of putting and spraying water in the form of what we call a wet line for a control line. So being in Colorado and being with West Metro's district right up against the foothills, we have a lot of urban interface, and this truck will really be the front line of any fire in and along the foothills, in the grasses, off the main roads. This truck has the ability to go off-road and provide us with a water support and firefighting force that's going to be the front line on protecting homes and property.